Alright, after loosening the upper bolt, you can use a long pry bar and just pry right against the alternator housing and against the rear firewall, and just nudge the alternator forward, which will loosen the belt enough to pop it right off of the pulley. You can then just remove the previously loosened bolts from the pulley. Should be a total of 4 bolts. 3 and 4. And once the 4 bolts are off the pulley, pull the pulley off of the water pump. And now, with the pulley removed, you have much easier access to every bolt holding the pump in place, which should be, from this point forward, pretty easy to get to and remove, as long as none of the bolts are seized. Alright, we'll be back with removing the water pump.